This is Kamran. Welcome to this comprehensive course designed for QA automation engineers, university students, and individuals who want to start a career in programming. In the previous video, we talked about formatting. In this session, we will discuss how to take input from the user in Python and then practice it. In Python, the input function is used to take input from the user. It waits for the user to type something and press enter. Whatever the user enters is treated as a string and it's returned by the input function. Let's practice it. Let me create a new file. User input. Now, let me take one input from the user. To take input, I need to type input and then string enter first number. In this case, it will take input and it will not save the input in any variable. So if I run the code, it prompt enter first number, then I enter the first number and the code exit. Now I want to save the value in a value variable. So I take it a is equals to input and then I print here a. Now run the code. So if I type 4, it will print 4. But here, if I want to see the type of that variable, I need to add type and a. So it will print the type of the variable like float, integer or string. So it will save the value in a string by default. So if I write 5, it is saying that it is a string. So it is a string. I cannot perform arithmetic operation in the particular variable. So I need to convert the type of that variable. So to convert the type, I need to convert this whole function into int. So let me print it. Let me run the code again. So now I enter the first number. It's saying that it is enter. If I want to change its type to float, I need to write float here. I run the code and it's saying the float type. So if I want to take input and then add it into a result. So for the second variable, it is b and enter the second number. Okay. Then I need to perform some arithmetic operation here like c is equals to a plus b. And I need to print the c. And I need to write the type of the c here. Now in the code. So for the first number, I give 2. The second number, I give 3. And the result is 5.0. So it's a float. So in this video, we talked about how to take input from the user and the type conversion of the input value. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. In the next video, we will talk about conditional statement in Python.